Good morning, student. After the knowing about the principle of management given by the Taylor, today we are going to see the techniques given by the scientific techniques given by the Taylors. Along with scientific principle, Taylors developed some scientific technique by conducting various experiments at his workplace. Today, in this chapter, we are going to see 9 scientific technique that is given by the Taylors. First, functional foremanship. In this technique, Taylor suggests the division of factory in two departments, planning department and production department. As Taylor felt that worker must be free from the burden of planning and they must keep on mind on work only and production. The to develop specialization in the productivity, Taylor suggests under each department there must be some functional and experienced person for supervising. They give and instruct the workers. As one foreman cannot be expect in every aspect of the work, so Taylor suggest on the minimum 8 person needed for the every department. That is divided in two parts, planning department and production department. They give his specialization and his experience share with the workers. Taylors, just see this figure. In this figure, you can see factory manager just divided in two parts, planning in charge and production in charge. Then planning in charge is divided in 4 parts and production in charge divided in 4 parts. And then all these 8 members work on the worker. By this, on this way, Taylor is saying the things on this way they are trying to manage the worker. Okay? Now we are going for the second technique, standardization and simplification of work. Scientific management always emphasis on maintaining a standard relate to every step of business operation. Standardization of output is possible in standard in manufactured right from selection of tools, equipment and machine to used. Maximum the output by keeping in mind the quality standard. Standardization does not mean only quality standard, but it refers to setting up a standard for size, type, weight, measurement and quality or quantity of product. According to Taylor, scientific method of production must be selected to develop a standard. To set up a standard, the management must make use of work study technique which include time study, motion study and fatigue study. Even modern techniques such as utilize this all modern studies, and on the basis of these studies they are try to maintain the standards. Simplification emphasis on elimination of unnecessary division of production, size and type. As more variation means more inventory, more type of machinery, more labor are unutilized of more raw materials. Management try to just ignore these type of decision about the unnecessary design or unnecessary size, because it will always decreasing the efficiency of labors and machinery also. It will, if they are maintaining less size or less variation in product, it will also help in improving the quality and reducing the cost of the material. Now we are going for the next, third, fatigue study. This technique of Taylor of scientific management is conduct to find out the frequency of rest interval, the duration of rest interval, the number of rest interval. A person is bound to get tired when he is performing a job for long period of time. There is always a need for rest interval. Taylor suggests that the time period and frequency of rest interval should not be decided by the wish of or experience of the manager, but to give a scientific approach, fatigue study must be conducted. To conduct fatigue study, Taylor suggests to observe an average worker when he is performing a job and note down the time when they work start getting tired, and when his efficiency level start decreasing, then give him rest or break. This time can be noted to divide frequency on rest interval, and during rest or this break, after how much time they work, because fresh of rest the work can be the time for rest interval, so its frequency and time to rest interval is fixed by the observing worker efficiency. It will be more scientific. In this case, in this system, in this technique, mainly Taylor want to say that all the worker needed break between his work, and the break is decided on the basis of frequency or efficiency of the worker, not on the basis of management thinking. Because if they are based on the worker, then that will apply more and more good, and that will as a scientific system. Okay, on this video we are just seeing only 3. Next we are seeing in the next video. Okay, thank you.